Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Cartier rimless eyeglasses, model CT0052o in color code 006. The color of the frame is red. And these glasses are a rimless rectangular shape. On its bottom right lens, you'll find the Cartier logo engraved, and the bridge is gold. The temples are gold and red, and the temple tip has the Cartier logo in gold. Each temple consists of 10 thin layers of wood glued and pressed all together in a process called lamination. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the dimension of the temple and the Cartier logo. And on its inner left temple is made in France, and again, the dimension of the temple and the Cartier logo engraved in gold. The glasses also come with a Cartier box, a red and gold Cartier gift box, a black Cartier case with the Cartier logo in gold, a Cartier booklet, a Cartier cleaning cloth with the Cartier logo on the cloth, and a Cartier dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.